I knew what was going on here at the library, and then somebody said that they were getting short of readers. So I approached them and I said, you know, I really would like to do that because I like to read Yiddish, and it's sort of almost like acting. So they said, fine, just make a sample tape. And I did, and they said, wonderful. And that's when I started doing it, because some of the readers were getting older, and it was, you know. So that's how I got involved. I decided to do that, to let my acting abilities come through, like my, you know, yeah. So it was good. And then I was here, so I would do it either on a lunchtime or whatever, and they would accommodate me, and that's how I got involved in it. I was sitting at a table with a book and a mic, and then there was a glass in front of me, and on the other side there was a monitor, there was somebody recording me, and there was a monitor following with the book, of course, because sometimes I wouldn't realize, you know, these books, these words sometimes were Russian or Hebrew origin, and sometimes I myself wouldn't realize that I was mispronouncing it. Very good, they would stop it. And that's what it was, two little rooms, but it was an actual recording studio. I don't know who was the mastermind of it, but it was a very good idea because people started taking these tapes home, and a couple of times somebody once stopped me on the street because they knew who I was and my 15 minutes of fame.